Hello everyone, so in this short little video I'm going to show you what I think is by far the best position to position your Wi-Fi router in a 1930s or interwar style house. And what I mean by a 1930s or interwar style house is a house which is, for the front doors there, is 2-storey, above there's the bathroom at the back there in that corner, bedroom there, another sort of big bedroom there, and like a small bedroom up there, and downstairs you have the front room, back room, and then kitchen. And then where I positioned the Wi-Fi router is just there, so it's in the back room, downstairs back room, right at the top near the ceiling there. Now, for years I had really kind of really struggled with the good Wi-Fi coverage around the house, and I tried like a lot of different things. I tried power line networks and moving that Wi-Fi unit to different spots, and it didn't work well at all. I mean, it would work okay in the room it was in and close to, but sort of in the further away aspects of the house, you would just get like really patchy, Wi-Fi coverage. And then sort of like one day, about a year ago, I had the bright idea. I thought, well, if I think of the whole house as a box, I thought surely the best position to have that Wi-Fi router in is going to be sort of like as close to the middle of that box as possible. So that's why I positioned it here. I made this thing just out of just some old plywood I had hanging about. I just cut these like 45-degree angles and just sort of tacked it on, painted it white just to make it look a bit nicer. Tacked it just with some very small nails onto the picture rail or data rail, whichever one it's called up there. And obviously I had to arrange to sort of like get the cables and stuff up to it. I mean, I did it actually by going through the wall and then coming in through the other side, just simply because with my layout that worked better. But obviously with your particular situation, you'd probably go straight up there from within the same room. But anyway, since I've done that, it was about a year ago, I've had really good, almost 100% reliable Wi-Fi coverage all around the house. And if you're having sort of similar sort of problems, I'd highly recommend this kind of positioning. So like this is a 1930s style house, but I think if you live in a Victorian house, like a smaller Victorian house, the same principles would apply. Basically, in these, the point being, I suppose, that in these 1930s style houses and in the smaller Victorian houses, the walls are solid. They're solid brick walls. If you live in like a newer house that's got partition, stud-work partition walls, I'm guessing you probably wouldn't have this kind of problem anyway, because I think the Wi-Fi signal propagates like a lot easier through those partition walls. But if you've got either a 1930s or a small Victorian house, 2-storey, with this kind of similar layout, I would highly recommend this positioning. It's worked really well for me. So I hope that helps.